one of the most easiest and the most simplest question I've ever seen to simplify this. Do you imagine this is simple? Watch it, form basic things mean that n factorial is equals to what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 times it factorial, which implies that will be equals to what? Let's take example, we have 5 factorial will be equals to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Hence, n factorial will be what? N into n minus 1, n minus 2, remove dot 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 to what? 1. I saw the factorial n. Example 1 factorial is equals to 1, 2 factorial is equals to 2, because that's 2 times 1. Hence, that is what we have. Hence, let's solve this using that same principle. We have 55 factorial and 54 factorial. All are divided by 53. We can express 55 as what? 55 as what? 55 times what? 54 times 53 factorial. Okay, making that this 53 will cancel with this one. Since this addition, we do the same thing on the other side. Hence, that's exactly what we're going to do. That will be what? 55 times what? 53, 4 times what? 53 factorial plus what? 54 times 53 factorial all over what? 53 factorial. Hence, this and this will cancel out. This is addition. We'll bring out 53 and cancel it out to this one. Hence, we're going to have what? 55 times what? 54 plus 54 all over 53 all over 1. That will be equal to what? 55 times 54 plus 54. That will be like 50. This can be 54x plus. Like 55x plus x, that will be what? You can just say 56 times 54. On this on your calculator and drop your answer in the comment to show that you follow up to this point. Watch the next video.